Okay, and we should also understand adverbs. Now, when you're talking about adverbs, adverbs are just words that describe an action or a verb. Remember, a verb is a doing word. So, adverbs describe an action. Examples of these: if you say a person is walking, the verb is walking, but how is the person walking? So, you can either say slowly, or you can say loudly. How is the person speaking? Loudly. Or how is the behavior of this person? Rudely. So these are all adverbs. So for example, he walked slowly. So you can't say he walked slow. No, he walked slowly. The dog beat him badly. So it's not right you say the dog beat him bad. The class laughed loudly. So it's not right you say the class laughed loud. Okay, Abigail answered the teacher rudely. So you don't just say answer the teacher rude. That would not be correct. So these are adverbs. So we need to understand them and how to use them in a sentence. Let's say you are starting with the adverb rudely. Okay. Let me say first start a sentence. Okay, so Monster answered rudely though he's a Christian, and then you want to begin a sentence. Let's say these are rewrites. They say begin rudely. Okay, so how do you start? So you're going to say rudely though Monster answered he is a Christian. So you are supposed also to put a comma there to separate these two sentences. So you have got Monster answered rudely, and then you have got he is a Christian. So these are two sentences which have been joined by the word though. Okay, so we should be able to know how to use these adverbs to begin a sentence, or on the if they are on the middle of a sentence. Times they can ask you to start the sentence with though. If they say start a sentence with though Monster answered rudely is a Christian. So in this case, I started with Rudy though Monster answered he is a Christian. So when you are starting with a word and words which are like this, okay, you need to make sure that you mention the noun in that sentence to be for it to be correct. So if possible, if the noun has been mentioned, make sure that it comes first. Instead of you saying rudely though he answered, and then you put Mwansa here, Mwansa is a Christian. No, you should start first with the Mwansa, and then the pronoun is going to follow thereafter when you are making this rewrite. So this is very important to get to follow.